Parish Tanner with Ocala Audio and Window Tint. We're here today at our window tint installation facility doing paint protection film on a 2003 Corvette that's used for the track. What we're doing right now is we're here with Rick Coslow from Accent Distributing, and he is the 3M paint protection film trainer in Central Florida. He's here today working with us and Sean to give some advanced training techniques on installation of paint protection film. Today we're installing it on the back end of the car, so when dirt and debris comes up on the back end while he's at the track, it's going to keep it clean and not damage the paint. We've already done the hood, the entire fenders, the side doors, and the side quarter panels. This is one of the last pieces that we're doing. That's one of the things that sets us apart from our competition. We do a lot more paint protection film than just about anybody else out there. But we're also continually doing training. We're never content to sit back and just take it as, hey, that's good enough, and go from there. We're always going to try to give the best that we possibly can. Just like 3M. Right now, they're on their 4th generation of the Scotchgard Paint Protection Film. It's among one of the best out there, in my opinion. It's one of the most optically clear. You're going to notice it less on a car than anybody else is out there. It's got an integrated clear coat. So when it gets on the car, it's going to look just like the regular film on the car. What's nice is if it gets a small scratch or ding or bug damage or whatever else on it, it's also got a self-healing property. So over time, as it bakes into the sun, it'll re-level some of the scratches and debris that's on there. So if you're interested in keeping the paint on your car looking as good as it can, as long as it can, improving the resale value of your automobile, stop by Ocala Audio today. Let us show you exactly what we can do for you. Thank you. Have a great day.